Hey YouTube. So you guys know how much I love making some cover-ups. As you can see, I love making the hexagon sweater because they're so easy to make. There's another one up top. But now I'm obsessed making these cover-ups because I wear a lot of leggings, and I think they're just perfect to add to just about any outfit that you wear with your leggings. And this is very easy to make. And this is made out of 2 spools of yarn. I actually use the I Love This Yarn by Hobby Lobby. It's $3.99 spool. And I use 2 of these spools, which has 252 yards. And I use 2 of this to make this. As you can see, I added some beads. And this is a tie or a string. So I'm actually making another one in black. So I have this piece right here. That's all. I already have one side done. Again, this takes like, I'm using like the whole spool of yarn, and this time I'm using, instead of the I Love This Yarn, instead of this yarn, I'm using Crafter's Secret, which is $2.99, and I'm using this hook, which is by Yarnology. I bought some more of these hooks, as you can see. This one is a size 11, and this one is a size 9, and this is a size 15, because this is a size 11 right here. So this is also a size 11, but look at the difference between the 2 the 2 hooks. So this is what I'm using to create this stitch, this humongous stitch, and this is just double crochet, rows and rows of double crochet. Now I'll have the pattern to my blog, or if you want to see the pattern for this, it's real simple. Let me see if I can show you guys. As you can see, this is one side of the pattern, and I've stitched this side. So, and this is, I'm currently working on finishing the other side, and this is how it looks. It's just rows of double crochet, just rows and rows of double crochet, and it's very simple to make. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks like when it's finished. And then I also have another one that I'm working on. This is the other side. You might be able to see this. This one I'm using a G hook. So what you do is, this one has 150 stitches going straight, and then you skip the stitch, then you double crochet on the next stitch, and you keep doing that over and over again until you have multiple rows. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 rows. And what you do is, you just fold it in half, and you add another piece, and you stitch it from here to down, and And then when you add your other piece to this side, that's when you create your V-neck. So that's what I'm working on now with this one. But I actually like how fast I was able to make the other one with this crochet hook. Now I'll have a link below to where you can get these hooks. I really like the size of these hooks. Anyway, if you like this video and if you're interested in the pattern for that piece, let me know. Comment in the link below. Comment below, and I'll see what I can do about doing a video for this project. Thank you for watching Handmade by Hania. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.